Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the masking video editing in CapCut. If you want to create awesome edits using masking in CapCut, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can use masking, plus how you can fix the most common issues. So masking lets you blend videos, hide and refill clips, or create smooth transitions. It's one of the most powerful tools in CapCut, and today I'll break it all down for you. First, you can start by opening CapCut on your on your phone and click on New Projects, and then you can just add two or more clips you want to blend. In here, let's say I want to blend these two videos. Tap on Add. Okay, so here is the two clip that I want to edit. And then you need to place them on separate tracks, so click one of the video and make it as overlay. Now you can select the overlay clip and then find the mask option, this one, and choose your style, whether it's rectangle, circle, heart, split, or horizontal. Here, let's say I'm going to just go with the horizontal, and here you can adjust the position and the size with your fingers, and you can also use the invert options like this if you want the opposite effect. And if you want to add some blur edges, you can just go like this, or you can also rotate it like so. So this is the feather tool to blur the mask edges. You can also move the mask position to reveal or hide different parts. And here you can also try the keyframes for animation. So let's say I'm going to add in here and go to the end of the video like this and move the masking, so it will have that reveal effects on your video like that. So that's pretty much all. If you want to fix some problems, for example the masking not showing or on your CapCut, you need to make sure that your clip is set as overlay like this, so have it in the different tracks. And if the edges are too sharp, you can increase the feathering for smoother blend. And if you cannot move the masking, you can add keyframes before moving. And that's how you use masking in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.